don't see many of these, do you? And this one's a sad story, this one. As I say, she's in beautiful condition. So once she's had a polish up and everything, she'll be beautiful. And what's wrong with this one is the old boy was working on it, and we've he bought all these clips to go in. ECUs were all done. Another ECU there. There's loads of bits and pieces, and it's coming here, and the wife wants us to figure out what's wrong with it and put it back together again. But this is going to be some car when it's put back together. It is look at it. It is. I mean, you could eat your dinner off it. Absolutely eat your dinner off. I mean, she is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the wheels need a little bit of work, but other than that, yeah, just a sad day that you ain't going to see it finished, really. But anyway, let's see what we can do and see if we can at least put it back on the road. Anyway, everyone have a good day. It's but yeah, I thought I'd show you this one. She is gorgeous. Look at her. Absolutely beautiful. And I've quite seen one of these for ages. Cool, flipping, I used to have a hard on when I used to see these when they were brand new. Wish I could have one, but I never did. But yeah, she is gorgeous. If I do, this would be the one, I think. She is gorgeous. Anyway, let me stop waffling, because I'm damn nigh clearing all the bits and pieces I've got here now, and I'm moving forward. But I thought I'd show you her, because she is a beaut. She is a beautiful one. Also found this, so this is probably the reason why you wanted to actually repair the ECU, because obviously this is burnt out all in here. So it's been repaired, and it stinks. I'm telling you, it absolutely reeks. So the new ECU now, there's burn marks there as well. New ECU's fixed it. Brilliant. Oh yes. Yeah, the old girl. I mean, push buttons. I mean, and he even left the wiring diagrams. All the wiring diagrams, all BMW stuff. So obviously he had a plan. He must have had a plan. Right, let's see if I don't let him down, and see if we can get this going for him. It's yeah, this one will be a privilege. Let's go. Well, I managed to get the ECUs all in, find out where they went, did a little bit of homework, and then what I've done is I've coded in the immobiliser into it, and as you can do, you can hear her. It's not even shuddering. Oh, she's a beaut, isn't she? See? She is a beaut. I mean, I've got obviously a few other things to do to her, but have a look. Listen to that. Okay, that's only the first bit, but at least we don't have to push her around. Thought I'd show you. Right, that's my first part of this. If there's any more, then I'll show you later on. But she's running. She is running. Yes. And she's only got 56,000 miles on the clock. What a beauty. What a beauty. Okay, now I've finished. Have a good day, everyone.